Hi, this is Mark Mikelat from Building Aspirations with a short tip for your social media marketing success. I want you to give first. You give first to get later. Here's what that means. That you always need to provide value on your social media. You're entertaining, you're inspirational, you're motivational, you're thought-provoking, you're educational, you call these people to action. If you just say, buy my stuff, buy my stuff, buy my stuff, you're not giving first. You're focusing on getting. Life works better when you give first to get later. That's how you can really tap into the power of social media. Now, how to actually do this, golly, yeah, that could be a little bit tough and time-consuming and frustrating. You don't know the proper strategy. I get it. I address this in the Social Media Marketing Success Kit. There are 20 plus hours of best case social media marketing instruction to help you tap into the power that is social media. I take the confusing and make it straightforward. I get you to success more easily and more quickly in this comprehensive online course. To learn more about it, just click on the link that popped up on this video or click on the link just below this video to learn more. I want you to really leverage social media marketing, and the idea of giving first and getting later is just a part of it. But you need to know how to implement it, and I tell you how in this comprehensive e-course. This has been Mark Mikelat from Building Aspirations. Thanks for listening.